Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mark spoiler on Discord. So in this case, open your Discord first. Then you choose a server and write something. Fuck you, bitch. I'm just showing. Okay, you want to make it spoiler. What you can do is double click and you can copy this text, or you can choose reply. First you can copy text, then you just reply it, and you have to double bar, just shift and double pipe or double bar, what you can say this, and paste your message here and double bar again. Now if you click on enter, hit your enter button from your keyboard, and you can see that's the spoiler. That means you are replying this is a spoiler message. Okay guys, so this is how you can mark spoiler in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.